Okay, we've got the tide and the wind blowing us down, so we're going to take the boat around the other side of the trailer, so it'll be easier to bring it into the end of the trailer. Oh, and you notice people drown their trailers, no point. I just back it into, basically the springs are just on the water. There's no point in getting everything all rusty, especially up into the bearings. So we've brought it round, so we just hook that on. So it's sitting in between the multi-rollers.
Okay.
So all we've got to do now is if you just hold the boat so that the wind and the tide, see we've pulled it up a little bit this way, which is good. By the time I get back onto the winch, it'll be nice and straight. No, not at all. The whole design of the DWR trailers is that these multi-rollers will just, see how it straightens it up? This is a little great Kiwi invention. It's called a C-socket. Just fits on your electric drill and beats the hell out of winding it up by hand. Nice and tight, tucked into the snub. Thing to remember now, safety chain before you go anywhere. Put the safety chain on it. If, for example, the cable broke, the winch wire broke, it's going to come back onto there. Just move a couple of inches and it's not going to fall off. Oh, what we're going to do is just pull it up by the rubbish tin, get rid of a little bit of the plastic bags from the bait. Little bits of nylon that we've cut off, keep everything tidy and tickety-boo. We'll take the bung out, so when we wash it down, all the water just drains straight out the back. Be street legal. Put your tow flag on. Simple as. Let's go home and fillet fish.